In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely remove all of the rear taillights on a Toyota Land Cruiser 100. We'll be removing both outer taillights and the inner taillights mounted on the tailgate. If you're replacing a damaged light, upgrading to new ones, or simply need access for repairs, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the tailgate. You'll find two mounting screws holding the outer taillight in place. Using a Phillips screwdriver or a ratchet with the correct socket, remove both screws completely. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the taillight toward you. Don't force it straight out. The light is also secured by two plastic guide pins, so pull it slightly outward while easing the rear side away from the body of the vehicle. This will allow the guide pins to slide out smoothly without breaking them. As you can see, this is what the back of the taillight looks like. Here are the two guide pins that fit into the body of the vehicle. Knowing where these clips are makes the removal much easier and helps prevent any damage. Repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Now let's move on to the inner taillights located on the tailgate. Open the tailgate completely and remove this interior trim panel. It's made from flexible plastic and is held in place with several retaining clips. Carefully pull the panel away from the tailgate until all of the clips are released, then set it aside. With the trim removed, you'll have access to the mounting hardware for the inner taillight. There are two 10mm bolts securing the assembly. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove both the upper and lower bolts. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the locking tab and pulling the plug straight out. Now simply pull the taillight toward you and it will come off without any additional fasteners. And that's it. As you can see, removing all of the rear taillights on a Toyota Land Cruiser 100 is actually a quick and straightforward job once you know where the fasteners and guide pins are located. I hope this video was helpful. If it saved you time or helped with your repair, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading many more detailed Toyota Land Cruiser 100 repair and disassembly tutorials, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.